Hi, this video I'm just gonna try to help you with making teaching online resources with the PowerPoint and a background, and also you have your video inset so the student can see you while you teach. So it's make it more user-friendly. First of all, this video is made for really simple and easy for someone who already use Zoom in teaching online classes. What we need is Zoom. First, you open the Zoom app, and then you set all what you need to do about the video, which camera would you want your video to come out, and the sound. Pick the right microphone so the sound is loud enough, not too quiet for student, and also the background. This one is important because some teachers say, oh, my room like now is a mess. I don't want anyone to see. Zoom is really easy to use because it have the artificial intelligence for you to detect your background and remove all your messy background out for you. But for me, I have the green screen, which I use quite often. What I made of is just a piece of cloth in green color. So I just put it up in my room and make it into a green screen. Why do I need this? Because if I don't use Zoom, I use other tool, it will make my video better. It remove background, look different when I use the green screen and use background. Zoom is about the same, right? So now we got our video that is nice and clear, the student can see you, it's all set up. How are we gonna do it? We're gonna use Zoom to record the video for you. So you start the new meeting. Okay, start the new meeting, and of course do as when you teach, but at the moment you teach on your own with no student, no one come into this room. And then of course you start the video, you see yourself in the big screen. What you want to do is to share the screen, like when you present to the student. I share the whole desktop here. What I have on my desktop is my PowerPoint. Okay, my PowerPoint is in Canva at the moment, but you can of course use PowerPoint too. And you can see here, Zoom make your video smaller when it comes to share screen. If you want your picture to be bigger for the student to see you clearer, you just resize this screen. Okay. Once you resize it, you can start presenting. Now, what you have is like what you want the student to see in the background, and of course yourself. If you can move yourself to anywhere you want. You want to be up there, can also move there, make it bigger or smaller, up to you. It doesn't matter. While you teach, you can also move your video as well. How would you make a video now? You just press here, more, and record on this computer. Press this button, it will start recording the video for you. So whatever you want the student to hear, to see, you do it after you press this record on this computer. I'm gonna try one short video. Okay, start recording. Hi student, how are you? Today I'm gonna teach you about, and then you can move your slides like you normal do. After you're done teaching, you come here to this menu. Hi student, okay, I'm done. I'll see you next video. And what you do is stop recording and press end meeting. End for all meeting. What happened is Zoom will convert the meeting video record that you press record just now for you. And you can use this video. Let me check. Okay, this is the video that we just record. See?
Hi student, how are you?
This is what it looked like. So it looked like you insert there, and it's just Zoom. You just use one software and that's done. The student can hear you, can see you, And moreover, during teaching, you want to move your video, you can also click move the video on Zoom as well while you teach. So your video can be moved everywhere you want, and you can upload this for students to use. It's so simple. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and have fun making video for our lovely student. Bye. If you need me to help on anything, just comment below. I'll see you in the next video, which I'm going to teach you how to use OBS.